Remember, guys, when you're in the Philippines, you might want to bring an umbrella. Not for the rain, but it might just start hailing. It might just start hailing. And I'm not talking ice pellets. This serious. These sidewalks are right under these power lines full of birds. Thousands of birds are on these lines. You can see them. They just let it go at any time. But it's very real, okay? Thousands over top of these sidewalks, and they just let loose about every second, a little droplet. It's very real. I had to take a shower a minute ago. One of them got me pretty good. You reckon there's a storm coming with all these here? There may be a storm coming. I don't know. Splinter off the Ninja Turtles. I spotted him. Oh, damn. That's some big ones. Did you see all those that came out of there? There's 3 of them. That's some big old rats. Got some tunnels. Got a little street dog here. He's hungry. Hey, boy. Here. There you go. That dog's old. Good boy. Philippine street dog right there. He's hungry. He's old. He needs a good meal, so I'm going to feed him. There you go, boy. He needs a bath, too, but... He's a good dog. He looked like he's about 15 years old, maybe. He liked that meal. That's for sure. They eat good around this restaurant, though. They get to eat well around here. So that's good. Dang. That's got it, a big old piece of chicken.